let's kick off with my lemon olive butter bean chicken because it is absolutely sensational. Big flavors, lemon, garlic, olives, oregano, lots of olive oil to make those all come together. It is my idea of one pan perfect. Great thing about this recipe is that the oven does lots of the hard work for you. Just gonna line my pan to keep all those flavors contained. So we just pop in the garlic cloves, still got their skin on, some fruity green olives, really big flavors here, lemon slices, 12 sprigs of oregano or marjoram or thyme, any kind of woody herb, and then a generous amount of olive oil that's got some really nice flavor to it, just to hold all these other big flavors together. And then it's into the oven for about 20 minutes, just to make sure all those flavors just start mixing together in that oil, ready for our chicken to roast. Off to the oven. So we've got soft, creamy butter beans, beautiful tender chicken, and then we top it with some crunchy cavolo nero to finish. And to prep this, what I like to do is just take out in a V section, just the middle vein, because that's the bit that you can't eat. Full of all the good stuff, cavolo nero, and it goes super crunchy on the top. Okay, that smells great. I think it's, oh wow. That was a total burst. Serious. Okay, chicken and butter beans. A little bit of a cheat, straight out of the tin, drain them. Butter or lima beans, as they can be called, but really large creamy beans, and they are absolutely delicious. They add that lovely creaminess to this dish. Perfect. Right, in with the chicken. Just pop it straight on top. Just got some chicken breast fillets here, trim them up. In with the beans, and then before it goes back in, secret to this dish, grab your tongs and stir it all about to coat the chicken. Just want that chicken coated with all of those big flavors. Okay, that's all mixed together, and then it's back in the oven for another 10, and then cavolo nero on the top just for the last 5, and that's gonna crunch up, be really lovely and crisp on the top, just another layer of texture. Well, the smell of the garlic and the lemons is telling me that this is working its oh, it sure is. It is working its magic. Look at that. All the beautiful textures. One more texture to go. I'm just gonna pop some cavolo nero over the top, and that's gonna crisp up, make a really lovely crunchy layer. As it cooks, it shrinks back a bit, so don't worry, we'll see the chicken again. Doesn't say it in the recipe, but let's just put a tiny bit more olive oil over the top. Make sure that goes super crispy. Back in we go, just 5 more, and then we're done. By the amazing smells coming from the oven, I think our one pan perfect, oh my goodness, is ready. That is a lot of flavor burst. Okay, it's done exactly what I wanted it to do. Crunchy cavolo nero on the top, some really beautiful soft chicken, got olives, garlic to slip out of its skins. Whole dish is amazing. It's done exactly what I wanted it to do. All the flavors have mixed together, taste amazing. I really think you're gonna love it.